boys and girls back together, and it's Tuesday, so we're going to have an exciting morning, and Marianne's made something special for all of us here and all of you at home to have a careful look at.
I can't wait to show you.
That's interesting.
It's
really scientific, just like the scientists look at and talk about. Well, we're going to sing a good morning song, and we've got a beautiful girl from Russia, and Camilla, when we say hello from Russia, we say
привет?
Привет. Good girl. Well done. So let's sing that. Привет, привет, привет to you and you at home. Привет, привет, and how do you do? In Tenakoi, hello to one, but louder. Tenakoi, hello to two. Tenakoi, hello to all. Hi everyone. Lovely. Welcome everyone. Bye-bye, Joyce. And we sing Bye-bye, Joyce, because we're singing so well.
So proud of you guys.
Good boys and girls.
And the boys and girls at home. So yes, singing beautifully.
Right. Now, Marianne, I was wondering if you could perhaps talk about this little seed poem.
Oh, good. I like this poem because we can act it out.
I know, it's fun.
Are you ready? It's called A Little Seed. Now let's look around for some little seeds all curled up.
Yes.
Can you curl up like a little seed?
Or you could even hold your little seed like this if you want to. And at home you could get your little seed, because remember the little, we put it in the earth and then the sun comes. Or we could actually, but this is the one where we are actually the seed, Marianne, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, right, let's all get down.
So let's be a little seed.
Okay.
Here's the poem here.
A little seed for me to sow. Right deep down in the earth. A little earth all around us
to
help it grow. A little sun, a little shower, a little while. And what have we got?
And then a flower.
Look at these flowers, a beautiful red flower and yellow flower, green, beautiful one, beautiful pink flower, yellow flower and a blue flower.
Beautiful. Look at all the flowers at home, Lynda. So
Gorgeous.
beautiful.
And I know that you have been spotting some flowers at home.
I got shown of flowers. Mama said, Mama.
You've got beautiful flowers on your top and on your skirt, haven't you?
And in my home I got some of flowers and some of soil.
Well, Evie, would you like to come up, because we might have a little look at your flowers, because we've got something to give you
Come
too.
and stand next to Lynda.
Okay, come here. Now have a look at Evie. She wore this beautiful outfit. Evie's really fashion conscious, aren't you, my darling? And you really know your stuff.
She does.
Very clever girl. But look at these. Look what look at these beautiful blossoms. They look a little bit like the blossoms that you've been painting with Paris.
They do, because they've got the little spark and gold middle.
That's what we're talking about, the middle of a flower.
We are.
And have a look at these boys and girls. Have a look at those boys and girls at home. And you guys, look at the flowers that are in that skirt.
Isn't it beautiful?
You look gorgeous. Now, Evie, we've got something to give to you. So let's hear the big drum roll.
Oh, ready? And stop.
Woo! And this is what Marianne does. It's a special certificate, and it says Award of Excellence. This certificate of achievement is presented to Evie Ryder. Now, this is what she's been doing, and I know some of you have been doing this at home. She's been answering very tricky questions, and she always puts her hand up.
Proud.
She has so much to share, and she has clever ideas in her head, Marianne, doesn't she? And this is congratulations awarded from Lynda and Marianne. So, Ms. Ryder, I'd like to put that in your hand here, and I'd like to take this hand, and I'd like to congratulate you for receiving a special award. Woo! Well done, my little
easy.
sweetheart. And you do look so beautiful. Right, Marianne, perhaps we'll sing our song about growing, shall we? Since we were little seeds growing.
I would love to sing that song.
Okay, now this is a really good song for learning the days of the week. See if you can join it at home, my lovelies. Paris is sitting here too. She's going to join in. I'm growing, growing every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And that means you're growing all week, which is wonderful. It's the truth. And what things do you need to grow? Boys and girls, what things do you need to grow?
Us.
Yes, you growing. What do you need?
What makes you grow? Lots of
Do we
food? Yes.
Do we pour water over you like the plants?
No.
What do you do with the water?
Think it.
We
You drink it.
We drink lots of water and eat lots of food so that we can grow.
And one more thing at night, when it's night time and
Need
Mummy and Daddy
lots of-
say, go
Lots
to
of-
sleep, what do you do?
Sleep.
You sleep, because
And-
that's so important.
And then you say, can I have a story, please, Mama and Daddy?
You don't make up excuses. After you've had one story, it's usually probably enough, so
Yeah.
you don't need to make up excuses. You're so clever, Evie, that's so right.
That's why she got the certificate.
Yeah. Knows the answers, that's the thing. Good girl.
So clever.
Right, Marianne's got something really special for us to see.
I'm going to show you this.
Took lots of colouring, didn't it?
Lots of
Marianne?
colouring in. I'll just show you up close. Is that fine? Okay, now this is a picture of, what's it a picture of, Otis?
Flower.
A flower. And at the top here it says parts of a flower. Now this big flower here that I've drawn has got some special parts that we're going to learn about. So let's have a look. Now, right up here, right up the middle, I've drawn a purple one only so that everyone can see it. They're not usually purple, they're often a sort of orangey yellowy colour. So this thing right up the middle is called a stigma or a pistil. Stigma's the top part, right up the top is a stigma. Can you say that word?
Stigma.
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 The whole thing together is called a pistil. Can you say that?
A
A
Pistil.
pistil. Yeah, pistil. Yeah, that's one part, and that's right in the centre of our flower. It's quite big. Then over here, we've got these. These are called stamen. Can you say stamen?
Stamen.
Stamen. On the top of the stamen, we've got an anther.
You're an answer.
Anther, that's right. Can you say that, Evie? Can you say anther? Anther at the top, and this part here is called the filament.
Filament.
Filament, yeah. But the whole thing together is called a stamen. Stamen, that's right. Clever, Camilla. Excellent.
Stamen.
Girl.
So we've got this pistil, and we've got this stamen. Every flower has these in it.
Now, Marianne, if you hold that up, we can look at these. What's this part of the flower called? That the outside of a flower. What's that called? Starts with a P.
Peace.
Nearly.
What's on the outside?
Flower.
Dark pink. What's on the outside? All around the flower, the pretty.
P.
Pretty.
Yes, that's
Flower.
You are so clever, Otis, because you're thinking of all the P words, but this is called a petal. Can you say that? Petal. So look, this one is almost the same pink colour. Look, and this is a hibiscus out of our preschool garden. So that's a petal. We'll come and show the children right up really close at home. There's the petal. And what's inside there, Marianne?
Seeds.
Yes, there's something that makes the seeds, but we've just learnt about this bit that comes right out there. That's called the pistil. Say it.
Pistil.
Pistil. And look, you can see these tiny little things on the end, and they are the
Stamen.
Yes, well remembered. I couldn't remember that. So those are the stamen, the little yellow bits, and that's the pistil. And sometimes those little yellow bits have yellow that comes off onto your fingers if you touch it. And we're going to be learning about that
We are,
soon,
because
aren't we?
something very clever
Look, boys and
sometimes
girls.
gathers that to make something very special, doesn't it?
Isn't that amazing? Look. And you can see that pistil coming right up. It's a very, very thick piece of
Pistil's
pistil.
the big one and the stamen are
The little ones.
Little wee ones. You
Little.
can see the small ones there, the stamen, and that's the pistil there. And down the bottom, Lynda, these here, have you got that on yours?
Yes, look at these little green bits. I'll take that
They're
to boys
called
and girls at home.
sepals.
There's the
Can you say
sepals.
sepals?
What sheeples?
Sepals.
Sepals.
That's it.
They're
Those
little
green
leaves,
ones.
aren't
They
they?
hold up the flower. They're very clever.
And before the flower opens up, those sepals are closed around the flower, and then they go like this.
Down, and out comes the flower.
Out flowers the flowers. That's
So the
beautiful.
beautiful sepals there, holding up the flower, and yeah, like Lynda says, they cover the flower up.
I wonder if we could point to things and see if you can name them.
Let's have a look. So this one up the middle is called
What's
the
that?
pistil. Excellent. And these ones here are called the stamen. Stamen. The little ones are the stamen, and the big one up the middle is the pistil.
And what was this? What were these little green leaves that protect the little bud? They're called the seed.
Sheeples.
Sepals.
And can you remember what these beautiful pink parts of the flower are called? The
The
you
You've got
remembered. Well done.
One more
Very
part, just down here, is a big long stalk or stem.
good.
And you've got a stalk or stem on yours,
Yes,
haven't you? Lynda?
look, beautiful stalk and little
Of
leaves.
course it's got leaves as well.
And the sepals have opened up, and that's where the
Beautiful flowers
beautiful
came out.
petals have come out.
Now that flower's quite like this flower,
It
isn't it?
is actually, man. It's so beautiful.
Amazing. So
Evie
we-
likes this
We've
flower.
now
She
learned
did.
about
Didn't you, Evie?
pistils and stamen and sepals.
And petals. Wow, see if you can remember that tomorrow. We'll have a special quiz.
We
shall
will.
And we'll have a quiz at home. See if you can remember at home. my
That'll be
lovelies.
awesome. Here we go.
All right, and we've got one
Good
more
song to
song to
sing.
sing, so we might
Oh,
get
I like
Marianne
this
to hold
song.
it up.
This is about, starts off with the roots. The roots on a plant grow underneath. Do you remember this song? There it is.
The roots of a plant grow underneath, underneath, bit lighter, underneath. The roots of a plant grow underneath, underneath the soil. Good boy, Levi. He was singing.
We're looking at the leaves on a plant.
Oh, but leaves. Oh, before we get to the leaves, what's holding the leaves up?
Oh, the stem.
Yes, we'd already
Stem or the
The stem on the plant hold up the leaves and the flowers, up the leaves and flowers, up the leaves. The stem on a plant holds up the leaves. The stem is part of a plant, and all leaves are parts of a plant. Now we get to those leaves. What do the leaves do?
They make, what do the leaves make? Food! Clever you.
The leaves on a plant are making food, making food, making food. The leaves on a plant are making food. What leaves are part of a plant. And then what have we been talking about today?
The
Beautiful
flower. Look at that stunning flower.
And we haven't talked about how we get seeds yet, but we have talked about the pistil and the stamen, and then they do something that helps make the leaves. The new seeds, sorry, for my sake. So you have the pistil and the stamen, and they
Makes new
make
seeds.
the seeds.
And then you can grow more flowers.
Which is
So
what we
cool.
want. And our garden might
Lovely.
look like yours, Evie.
The
The flowers on the plant are growing seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers on the plant are growing seeds. Seeds are part of a plant, and they're very important.
That's such a cool song, Lynda.
Oh, I love it because it reminds us that there are special parts to a plant, and every part is important, isn't it? Every part.
Absolutely.
Well, boys and girls, tomorrow, see if you can bring some flowers. you lovely children at home, see if you can go hunting out for some flowers, and you can open up the flower, have a look in the middle and see if you can see.
You might be able to find the pistil or the stamen.
That
Or
would be
both.
so exciting. And we'll go and see if we can find some beautiful little flowers in our garden.
But even look at the sepals and all the different parts, Lynda.
in my home.
Well, if you're allowed to bring it, you might be able to bring it to preschool.
And we could have a look and see if we can find the stamen and the pistil and the sepals and the petals.
We have to be very careful.
Yes.
We don't want to hurt the flowers,
We'll
no.
check with Mummy or Daddy if you're allowed to bring it in.
Because the flowers will be so scared.
We can put it in water to keep it looking
Yes,
beautiful.
yeah,
can't we?
maybe, because we've been learning about water. We must have a look at our flowers
Yes.
too. Actually, we'll do that tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
See our experiment and what's happening to those
I know.
beautiful flowers.
I think it's going well, Lynda.
Yes. Oh,
But we'll see
yay.
it tomorrow. Excellent.
Right, until tomorrow.
Ka kite.
Ka kite. Bye, lovely.
Bye bye.